Okay, so today our project is what, Zoe?
Fixing our seatbelt in the middle because now my mom can't go inside seatbelt because it's broken. My dad put my booster seat there. Now it got broken because it was too small and he didn't know. So
it broke because I was in a hurry and I forced it.
Yeah, Dad.
So the project of today is to
fix it up.
Change it out.
Dad,
Before we do that, yes. Before we do that, we got to take out the front seat.
Yeah, Dad.
So here I have my lovely assistant Zoe using a ratchet with a 14mm socket.
Okay, do I start with this one or that one first?
You can start with this one first. Start with this one first.
Yeah, yes. Right is always right, right?
Righty tighty, lefty loose.
Like this side?
And then, okay, turn it the other way now. There you go. Dad loosened it for you a little bit. So this thing right here is ratchet. You can do this back and forth. Okay. Now it's loose. You can do it by hand.
How come there's so much dust?
No, because I haven't taken this out ever.
Dad is crazy. Don't listen to him. What? This one is the trickiest. I can't even do this one.
You can.
Now?
Yes. Zoe, you taking a break?
Yeah.
Hard work, huh?
Yeah.
So we got the seat out. So now it looks like this piece has come off. And I think it's just clips.
Back.
Yeah, baby. And that Torx screw right there. Here you go, Zoe. Did you use this guy right here?
Oh my gosh, those.
And take that screw out.
Okay. I'm gonna try my best. Unless we need to like pull this out and kick it out.
Yeah, just be careful with these wires.
I need
Yeah, it's fine.
How people lay down in the like cars when they fix it.
Yeah.
Like those little things. You know what I mean, Dad?
Other way, baby. Other way.
Like this one? Like this?
Yep. Just like that.
Very hard. I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to go on it.
So now we just gotta take off 14mm, change out that seat belt, and we're good to go.
Yep. Right, Dad. Did I go like this way?
Other way, baby. Other way. There you go. Look, you can lift it up. Look it. It's a ratchet, so it goes like this. Okay, now you can probably do it by hand. I can do it by hand.
This way?
Yeah. All the way.
I did it.
You did it.
This is like the tiniest one ever.
So we got the new seatbelt in. So you did an awesome job. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Dad.
You're the best.
And thanks for you, too.
You're the best apprentice.
Inviting me.
You're the best apprentice ever.
Yeah, if you get your car dusty again, then I'll break your car.
Oh my gosh! All right, I'll be better at keeping my car clean. Okay.
Okay.